chemotaxonomy. Medicinal property, the drug yielding property of the plants is one of the important feature, where the presence of various types of chemicals is also one of the basis for classification of the plants, that is called as a chemotaxonomy. So, we know that the plants contain variation in the type of amino acids present in them, proteins present in them, sometimes the type of nature of the genetic material, the type of other chemicals like various types of drugs which are present. So, like there is a lot of variation that can be observed in the type of chemicals present in the plants. So, based on the type of the chemical or similar type of chemical or the different type of chemical, the plants are categorized into various groups, that is called as chemotaxonomy. So, let us take some examples like benzyl isoquinoline. So, this is present in Ranunculaceae and Cyperaceae families. So, likewise particular type of chemical which is present in particular group of plants, and they have been kept in some particular group of family. Likewise presence of various types of chemicals is also one of the basis for classification of the plants. So, as I said that the chemicals are differing from one plant to the other plant. So, based on the similar type of chemicals which are present in the plants, so they have been categorized into various families. Let us take an example of benzyl isoquinoline. So, this is present in the members of Ranunculaceae and Papaveraceae family. In the same way, the crystals of calcium oxalate, that is raphites. These raphites are present in only the members of 35 families. So, likewise some particular type of chemical which is the basis for classification of the plants. So, we call such type of classification as a chemotaxonomy.